Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have been sharing steps to make aesthetic reels. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now for the aesthetic audio, I will search for Harmony Flip or Beats on YouTube and I will copy the link of this Mola Mere Mola audio and will paste it on a YouTube MP3 converter and the link is in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Now I am using VN app for making the video and here are the steps. Now I am choosing the clips which I want to be in my reel. Now I am adjusting the video's ratio in 9:16. I will add the music here and then will adjust it accordingly. So now I am adjusting the clips here according to the beats. Now I will add transition to the video and here I am using the flash one. Now I am adding transitions to other clips too for making the reels look more aesthetic. I have adjusted all the clips and it looks pretty good, so I am saving the reel. Now for adding filters, I am using Prequel app, so yes. Okay, so here I am using the effects name Cinema and it looks pretty good, pretty aesthetic here. So yes, now I will save the video and yes, your aesthetic reel is ready. Hey, I have turned off the music due to copyright issues, so you guys can check out this reel with music on my Instagram and the link is in the description, so don't forget to check it out.